This 2020 Coachmen Leprechaun Premier 319 megabytes is a Class C RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 32 feet 11 inches in length and features EXPRESSO decor with maple wood grain interior, sleeps 8, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, oven, stovetop burner, TV, auxiliary battery, skylight, microwave, DVD player, smoke detector, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. This 2020 Coachmen Leprechaun Premier 319 megabytes is built on a Ford E450 chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.